found the diatom. Okay, we're all in DIC mode at this point. Diatoms are really interesting. I'm trying to adjust my focusing here. Let's see what I can do. I like the image right in there. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm changing the focusing a little so I'm seeing some different planes of it. But yeah, that's DIC. Now let's take a look at what that would be in bright field. So we're still videotaping. Here we go with bright field. Okay. So I'm still seeing. I'm not seeing the finest detail though. I'm seeing some beautiful images, but I'm not seeing all the details I was. Let's go back to, okay. Now we're back to a DIC. There we go. Let's turn it to a 40 power and see how that looks. Okay, all this is with the DIC. You can see some really fine features of the diatom. Okay, I think that's enough just to give an overview of the DIC. I've only done a DIC on the 10 and the 40, and I could add 100, 63, I could add a 20. Those are the more common DIC magnifications. Okay, that's it.